What's good, bro? Good morning. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Yeah. Let's go, Celesta, bro. What's up? Mm, bro. Bro. Hi, bro. Hi. Long time no see, Kavish, bro. Where have you been? Where have you been, brother? We have 1 minute and 10 seconds. कोई रेटिंग गिराने के लिए इतना जल्दी कैसे उठ सकता है? रेटिंग कितनी चल रही? Hello, bro. Hello. Bro, stop talking about rating. Bro, I just woke up. Let's talk about rating. Please, bro. Please. All the best to you, Shaitan, brother. Thank you, bro. You have 30 seconds. Hello, my good Divjot brother. Hello, bro. My rating is 1812 now. Same, bro. Same. How's your granny, bro? Bro, I'm at my home and she's good. Okay, it's about to start. Good luck, brother. Good luck to everybody. Please, God. John, now. You look so broken and let digits be the sum of digits and let squares be the sum of squares of an integer is called good if square sum minus digit sum is greater than or equals to 50. Was still one, okay. N return if square sum a minus b is greater than or equals to 50. Oh, bro, I might have to go to poop. False. What the hell? It's 114. What? And goes to n को मैं right shift कर रहा हूँ. You know what? Let's go using that string version. I won't even try to debug. Although it is very weird how this is not working. Just a second. See out Lee. While n is greater than 0 in percentage 10. let's not even try to debug here. Uh, bool answer equals to a minus b greater than equals to that is square sum minus digit sum is greater than equals to 50. Turn answer. 5 minutes I spent on this bullshit already. So for the first one we're getting false. Second one we're getting. What are you doing, bro? See out Ellie. 1 and 9, right? The digit sum is 10. Return true if n is good. Otherwise, return false. So, cout A, B. 178 and 10. Ellie star. 178 Ellie. 1 1 plus 9 9 is 81. How is it? Oh, अबे को initialize भी तो करो, bro. What are you doing? Ooh, I'm about to poop, bro. I'm about to poop. 19 के केस में true, इसके केस में false. I'm about to poop, bro. Ooh, I need to go to poop. Shit. You're given an integer array nums. Just define a frequency balance subarray. If the subarray contains only one, क्या constraints है? 10. Okay, it's just 1000. Brute force. Define a frequency balance subarray as follows. If the subarray contains only one element, it is frequency balance. If the subarray contains at least two elements, then every element with maximum frequency must occur exactly twice as many as every other. If then every element with maximum frequency must occur exactly twice as many as every other distinct value. Oh, I need to poop. Return an integer denoting the length. Bro, should I poop? Return an integer denoting the length of the longest frequency balance subarray. Longest 2 2 3 3 1. The element that appears most frequently are 2 and 3, both appearing twice. Bro, I need to poop, bro. Sorry. I need to poop, bro. Sorry, hold on, bro. I need to poop. I'm gonna go to poop, bro. Sorry. Sorry, bro, I'm bad, bro. And I'll be honest, bro. Besides brute force, I can't think of anything else. Would brute force work here? How many people solve this? Shit, bro. Shit, bro. How many people solve this? 190? Not not many. 10 cube. Uh, time complexity to find every sub array. Counting the sub array, generating, processing sub arrays. So it is naive n square, right? Total sub arrays, which scales quadratically. I think let's just, bro, you know what? Let's just try brute force. I don't want to run my mind. हुई से ये जुदाई. Chat, life feels so nice once you get a good poop. Okay, what is it even asking? Subarray contains at least two elements. So a subarray, well, honestly, we can also do it using, what is the third question? Is the third question first part of this? Nah. So I think let's just do brute force. Mm, 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 mm. Yep, for j equals 5. Wait, yeah, I mean, it is, without printing it, you, bro, hold on, bro. I mean, a subarray of array in CPP, it is n cube, right? What is this new stupid? What the hell is this? Print k elements? Yeah, it's going to be n cube. What the hell? How many people solved it? 440. Mm, 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 mm. It's going to be n cube, bro. Shit, that's not gonna work. Turn an integer denoting the longest frequency balanced subarray. Subarray is a contiguous, non-empty sequence of elements within an array. Okay, if we actually think about, if we go with a sliding window, then it's going to be, what the condition would be, number of unique elements you want, at least then every element with maximum frequency equals to max le, nahi, l minus r plus 1 length equals to max frequency, right? Max frequency star le with max frequency. Okay, what is the max frequency into how many elements exist with max frequency plus plus le with not max frequency. So that is what our, yes, unique LE, not with max frequency. Okay, I think we might just need to go with sliding window then, because it goes up till 1000. Yes, L equals to 0, R equals to 0, while R is less than AR dot size. Bro, but the point is, so we want to figure out the max frequency and the frequency of max frequency. यहाँ से ये जुदा लागी. Set of int. How many? It goes up till 10 raised to 9. Stupid ass. जुदा हो गए. Uniquely with not max frequency. Set int as at max. It's going to be. Oh, I think we can just run set int as uh, unordered map, which stores the frequency of your current element. Now what we're gonna do is r dot your s dot insert error and increase its frequency of r plus plus. Bro, return the longest frequency. Hold on, but I got no. But how do we expand and contract in here? Like 22331. Length equals to max. I can't know. If you think about it, return an integer denoting the length of the longest frequency balance. I think it is. If you think about it, 5555, 1034. Hmm. 2. Besides that, hold on. Okay, if the subarray contains at least 2 elements, then every element with maximum frequency must occur exactly twice as many times as every other distinct. Hold on. The question says every element with maximum frequency must occur exactly twice as many as every other distinct value in that subarray. Equals to distinct values star 2. Other distinct value star 2. So fric can either be 1, twice as many as every other distinct value in that subarray. अब इसमें क्या हो रहा था 2 2 3 3 1 आ गया था. The elements that appear most frequently are 2 and 3 both appearing twice. The remaining element 1 appears. Okay, 1 appears 1 meeting requirements. Fair. Okay, I think we can do it in n square by maintaining a prefix sum, right? For frequency. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. If we maintain a prefix sum for frequency, then checking whether an element. But, oh my god, damn! But a prefix sum would tell us the frequency in a subarray. Yes, it would. Right. Uh, and but we also need the unique elements. We also need the unique elements in any window. The unique elements. How many people solved it? 1000 plus, right? 1.1. Okay. We can use a prefix sum to find the frequency in any window, and to find a number of unique elements. I think we also use a prefix sum. I think, yeah. Find the frequency of. But you would also have to. Hmm, hold on, but how does that help? That does not help. Like if I go 222, that does not help. That does not help. 333 के साथ आपको 333 and 21 could also be an answer. No, that cannot be an answer because then उसे 4 बार आने पड़ता. That is valid. 1 to 2 is valid. Oh hell no, bro. The love story of second question fucking me in the ass every time. So it is 10 cube, bro. So there is definitely an easy thing that I'm missing. Let's say I give you a subarray. Every element with maximum frequency must occur exactly twice as many as every other distinct value in that subarray. Distinct. Ooh, I don't. जैसे इसमें 5 आ रहा है 1 2 3 4 5. We knew distinct were 3. Maximum frequency was 5. Distinct were 3. Max frequency were 5. Uh, were 2. So we knew 2 2 1 2 2 2 2 3 4 5. What if like this though? 3 4 5. Wait, so do we only need distinct and max frequency? Is that enough to find out whether it's. Hold on, is that enough to find out the distinct elements and the max frequency? But for the max frequency, it's another n cube, bro. I'm trotting into n cube. Holy shit. Length of the longest frequency valence of array. What is the next one? But I can't go into the next one until I solve this. Let's. So you want to find find you want to find longest balanced subarray. Generating all subarrays in CPP. But we can't be going n cube. We can't be going n cube in it. So we want to find the longest valid subarray. Valid subarray. Valid subarray equals to. Valid subarray की क्या conditions है? Max frequency equals to 2 star Yeah, it was 2 star non-max LEs. Right. So we had max frequency as 2 and distinct as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Distinct as 3. एक ये हो सकता है या ये भी हो सकता है. Because we were bound 5. टोटल 5 है. 5 है ना. 1 2 3. अच्छा तो वैलिड ही है. Hell no, hell no, hell no. अगर मान लो ये 4 की लेंथ का होता तो भी ये चलता. 4 की लेंथ का होता तो भी ये चलता. Valid sub array. Bro, how many people solved it? If more than 2k people have solved it, there's something I'm missing. There is something I'm missing. There is something that's I am missing. Num's like num's length is just 10 cubed. See, let's look at it from the other approach. Just find the number with the maximum frequency. Now to make it balanced, exactly as many times as every other distinct value in the subarray. Okay, so for any number we can add other numbers. My guy. Special LE, yes. But the point is we're still max frequency into special LE equals to unique minus special LE star 2. Now special LE equals to distinct LE with max frequency. Okay. Yes. So this is how to check. This is your condition for a good subarray. Right. This is your condition for a good subarray. Special LE, all those elements with maximum frequency. Bro, I definitely don't think so. This is super easy because if only 1.8k people have done it in 30 minutes, generally it's like 5k. 2.2k have done it. Then every element. Should I just try brute forcing it? The frequency of an element x. N cube, bro. N cube. N cube. Bro, would N cube work? Constraints for N cube solution. Maximum input size less than 500, bro. This is 1000. Elements might pass if, hold on, under 1000. It is, you know what, I think brute force is worth a try. Let's at least get our penalty. J++. K less than equals to J. Set int S and I plus 1, bro. So I go from 0 to fair. K less than equals to J. Yes. Now what you're gonna do is, okay, to check, you find frequency, set int, and max frequency. That appear mostly 2 and 3 both appearing twice. If we, I was thinking of using, no, this is an overkill. This is an overkill. Bro, this is surely gonna give a TLE. Why am I even doing it? You can just say frac of error I, error k plus plus s dot insert error k. Okay, s dot insert error k. You would want to insert that element, increase its frequency, and max between max frequency, comma, frequency of error k, frequency of error k. Now all you need to do is check. See, that's the point. Int length would be j minus I plus 1 if what are you saying, bro? What the hell? 3k people have done it, just say it. 3k people have done it, thank you. uh, 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 if the subarray contains only one element, it is free. If the subarray contains, then every element with maximum frequency must occur exactly twice as many as elements with distinct value in that subarray. Okay. Constant, auto, and LE. मैं अपना प्यार थोड़ी से ये जिदानाई. If frequency of LE is not equals to 1 and frequency of LE is not equals to max frequency, but max frequency should be equals to twice. That's the point. Mm, 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 mm. max frequency should be equals to twice. So frequency, so it's 2 frequency, 2 frequency, 2 frequency, and in the end you have like 6 and 7. That is wrong. That is wrong. That is wrong. Mm-mm. If frequency of your LE equals to 1, bro, I'm overcomplicating it. I'm overcomplicating this. I have this exceptional habit of overcomplicating everything, bro. Frequency of your, if max s plus 1s equals to r plus l not r, it's going to be j minus I plus 1, and you can say max s जितनी भी मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी है equals to 1 star 2, then answer equals to max between answer comma r j minus I plus 1. What code have I even written, bro? I'm just tired, bro. I'm just tired. 1 hour hai, shabash. अपना प्यार खुदी से ये जुदा लाई. Like, bro, you can't even do brute force, you're cooked. You can't even do brute force, bro. Bro, 3.6k people have done it. 3.6k people have done it. Mm, 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 mm. So we would want to find yes. What is wrong with? Honestly, my logic should be correct, bro. What is wrong with my logic? First of all, C out I J. Right, 01, 02. Yes, these are all the sub arrays, bro. How? These are all the sub arrays. 3.8k people have done it, bro. But chill. Yes, the sub arrays counting is working. Fine. Now we're going from k equals to I, k less than equals to j. फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ा रहे हैं एयर आर के की, एस में इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं एयर आर के, और मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी बिटवीन मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ एयर आर के. The condition can be थोड़ी से मैं जुदा लाई, if max frequency star specially max s star that is into your max frequency, if that is equals to 1 star 2, sorry, and max s plus 1s equals to r equals to j minus I plus 1. Then answer equals to max between answer comma j minus I plus 1. Yes, brother. Why are you not working? Today you can't rage me, Leetcode. Because yesterday I ran the first 5K of my life. 111. Dumbass is saying 111. 4K people have done it. Then every element with maximum frequency must occur exactly twice as many as every other distinct value in that subarray. Twice as many times as every other distinct. Oh, it's not, bro. It's not like every other would be one. Maximum frequency equals to normal star 2 and max plus normal j minus I plus 1. So then it's going to be yes. It is still not working. Frequency of LE equals to max frequency, then max S plus plus. But what? Think, Web of think. Think. See out, normal, comma, space, max S, comma, देते हैं अपना प्यार पूरी बेवफाई. Bro, chill, bro. Leetcode, you can't rage bait me. You can't. You just can't. 0 1 के बीच में दो ही नॉर्मल है. दोनों मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी है. दोनों मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी है. तो मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल्स टू ओ can write if normal j minus I plus 1. राइट, इसके केस में 5 आ रहा है. The answer should be between 2 2 1 2 3 2 2 1 2 3 3. So that is 1 से 6 के बीच में. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 और 2 आ रहा है. Man, I give up, bro. 4.6k people have done it, and I can't even write a brute force. Just think from a clear mind, brother. Just think from a clear mind. We only care about the elements with max frequency. Baki, okay. So Okay, constant of your S. How to iterate elements through a set in CPP. That's exactly how I'm doing. Then we say, let's try writing this logic again. Int k equals to I, k less than equals to j, k plus plus, right? Now in here, what we do is we create a set of int, let's call it my set, and let's create a int max frequency equals to 0. Okay, okay, okay. Now what you do is for, oh, you don't create it here, you create all of this here. Okay, now what you do is my set dot insert error k, and you also need to do frequency of frequency of unordered map. Frequency of your, let's say, your element ark plus plus, and your max frequency. Think about it. You have a subarray. In that subarray, you would want its length, you would want how many elements occur with the maximum frequency, and you want the maximum frequency, right? You want these three things. It is kind of like, bruh, that wouldn't work. So for every subarray, you want a set of frequencies, kind of, kind of, kind of. 40 minutes before I lose rating. Fair. At this point, I'm not even surprised. Maximum frequency equals to max between max frequency and frequency of error k. Okay. Now, mm, 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 for constant auto and le of s, bro, why do I still feel like pooping, bro? Do I just end the stream and end this contest? My stomach is upset right now, and so is my mood. uh I haven't even read the third question. For if frequency of le equals to max frequency, then you can say max s plus plus. Now in the end, j minus I plus 1, that is going to be your length, right? 6 minus 7, the 7 minus 6 plus 1. Bro, I feel like this logic is a bit cleaner now. Okay, hold on. my set. Dice the line. Yeah. Okay, one case is if max s equals to j minus I plus 1, then at least this should be working. This should be working, bro. It is still 1. I can't write brute force. इसमें elements with maximum frequency कितने आ रहे हैं? Oh, stupid ass dumb. Max frequency. Hold on, I made a mistake in writing my logic. 2, 3, 4. 4, how is it? If max frequency equals to j minus, उतनी ही max frequency है जितना आपकी length है. 1 आ रहा है, ठीक है, 4 आ रहा है. Here it is coming 3. Bro, I kind of give up, bro. This question is not for me. This question is not for me, bro. Bro, do third, it's very easy. Do third, it's more easier. Bro, is third easier? Third is 2.4k. You're given 2D integer units of size mn, where units ij represents the capacity of jth unit. Each divide. Okay, let's focus on third for the next 20 minutes. For the next 20 minutes, we're only focusing on this. You're given a 2D integer array of size m cross n, where units ij represent the capacity of jth unit. J is unit, I is device. Each device contains n units. The rating of the device is the minimum capacity among all its units. You may perform minimum. अच्छा ठीक है. You may perform. Choose a device I that has not been used before. Remove exactly 1 unit from device I and add it to any different device. Then mark the device I as used so it cannot be chosen as source. Return the maximum possible sum of rating of all devices after any such operations. Devices can receive multiple units from different devices, so a value can go from one row to another row regardless of whether they have been selected. The rating of an empty device is 0. Empty means select device I equals to 0 and transfer unit 0 to 1 to device I equals to 1. After the transfer, device 0, the ratings are device 0 की आपकी 3 बची, 2 और 2 था और 1 दे दिया. Okay. Thus the sum of rating is device. Hold on. 4, 2 plus. Thus the sum of rating is. Return the maximum possible sum of ratings of all devices after any. Why did we transfer 1 then? Why did not we transfer 3? Hold on, I didn't understand. The test case. Select device I equals to 0 and transfer unit 0 to device 1. आपने ये वाला. After the transfer, the ratings are इसकी rating बची 3. Right. अच्छा, oh, you want the sum. Okay, you want the sum of ratings. 4 and 4. दूसरे की rating 1 आई. Device 1 221. The rating of a device is the minimum capacity amongst all its units. Oh, minimum capacity. Oh, okay, I didn't read that line. So in any row, the minimum number. Oh, so it's 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5. Okay. Minimum number. Fair. 10 raised to 5 units high length. Man, so bruh, neither is this easy for me. I'm bad at DSA in every format whatsoever, bro. Every format whatsoever. So score of any row equals to its minimum value. We can move what you choose a device I that has not been used as source before. Okay, we can move minimum value from any row to any other row once. Right, only once. So for any row, the score can be its smallest value or second smallest value. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so basically, for every row, find the smallest and second smallest. You would want right, find the smallest and second smallest. We would want the maximum second smallest to exist and put put the smallest of that row into another row with biggest smallest. Bro, what am I even saying? But at least okay, I can think of some logic with the biggest smallest. No. Always put it in one row itself. I think with smallest. ते अपना oh, right. Bro, hold on. At least it's making some sense. For every row, you can either get its smallest or second smallest value. Right. If we go greedily, we would want all the maximum second smallest values. And insert all the smallest value. Bro, I think this is it then. This is greedy then. Is this greedy, bro? Yeah, insert. I think, bro, because in one row you can insert as many as you want. Hashtag define LL long on. Let's at least try doing this, bro, so that we don't end up resolving first question, brother. Let's try. So int I equals to 0, I less than units dot length length I plus plus for int j equals to 0, j less than units of I dot length j plus plus. Smallest equals to what are the is 10 raised to 5. Int smallest equals to int max. Int smallest, second smallest basically, equals to int max. Smallest equals to min between smallest comma your units of ij if units of ij is greater than, what if, see, we can't be sorting every, that is stupid. M star n equals 2 star 10 raised to 5. One way to do is to just sort every, bro, sorting might not be the best option. If it is greater than smallest, then we can just say smallest 2 equals to minimum between smallest 2 comma units ij. Let's hope this gave us, if smallest 2, let's say if it's all made up of 2, then smallest 2 would be int max, then smallest 2 equals to smallest. Okay, now you have a pair. Where do we we would want the maximum second smallest to exist. Put the smallest of that row into another row with the small. Bro, this is greedy. This is greedy. I can look at it now. This is greedy. This is greedy. 100%, bro. This is greedy. Just maintain vector of not vector of pair of int uh pairs. Okay. Store two smallest and smallest. Okay, now you can just say pairs dot push back to smallest, because we want two smallest to exist, and smallest. I hope I'm going in the right direction. Then you sort your pairs. How to pairs dot r begin comma pairs dot r end. How to reverse sort in CPP. R begin R end, yes. R begin R end. Right. After you do that, you'll get the biggest, second smallest, and the last LE would be smallest, second, smallest and smallest, smallest. Fair, fair, fair. Now what you need to do is, for I less than pairs dot length I plus plus. Bro, I'm feeling good about this question, bro. Till now, I'm feeling good about this question. If I equals to we'll just move the smallest to, then you have to handle it. Int global smallest equals to int max. Then you handle it something like this. Else answer plus equals to, sorry, keep it pairs 1 ll star pairs of you're going to uska zeroth, right? Now if I plus 1 equals to pairs dot length, and you can say global smallest equals to global smallest minimum between global smallest comma your pairs of I का 1 जिसे हम मूव कर रहे हैं. नाउ अब लास्ट वाले में हम सेकंड स्मॉलेस्ट नहीं उठा पाएंगे. ll2 add equals to minimum between ll2 add would be equals to minimum between pairs of I comma 1 comma global smallest, and then answer plus equals to 1 star 1 ll star 2 add. I think I've written the raw logic now. I just need to fix the stupid mistakes I might have done. If this is not the approach, bro, then I'm pretty sure I can't solve it. What? Oh shit. What are you doing, bro? Damn, I've been. Bro, I've written. Honestly, this is so much better. Now, what is the issue? Pairs dot pushback. Bro, smallest 2. What? Bro. Dot second first dot second 4 6 दी जैसी रातें हो बरसाते. Let's not jump super soon. First of all, let me handle all the int overflows, bro. Let me convert every int to it is working. It is working. The code seems to be working. I broke my code. I broke my code, bro, to save my ass from int overflows. 4 6, and the third one is also 6. Bro, how did 4,000 people now suddenly solve it? So what we're doing is, I think this is correct. I think this is correct. This is greedy, bro. Let's submit it, because there's no way I knew there's gonna be a wrong answer, but so 1 2 2 1 1 1. This is already pairs. Mm, 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 First of all, see out pairs, see out pairs I dot. First pairs I dot. Let's hope I don't find a flaw in my logic. A minor flaw, bro. If my logic is incorrect, bro, then I'm doomed. Use this test case, brother. Brother, use that test case, please. We're in a good mood today, bro. Doesn't matter if we lose. Second smallest. So it's gonna pick 1, 2, 1. The expected is 5. How is it? Hold on. 1, 2, 2, 1. Oh my. It looks like a second. Bro, it looks like a flaw in how I'm calculating second smallest, bro. See out smallest to smallest. Bro, what? So 1 1 क्यों दे रहा है वो सेकंड रो के लिए? Oh, n log n into n. Bro, I think the best way to find second smallest is to just sort. Bro, yes. Is to just sort. Sort units I dot. Again, I don't know, bro. I'm sorting. I'll handle a TLE later, comma units I dot end. Once you sort it, then you can say smallest equals to units I 0 and smallest 2 equals to units I 1. No matching function. Unit size a vector, bro. What are you talking about? Okay, I think we just need to sort it at the very start. Sort units dot begin, comma units dot end. 4 6 6 इसके केस में 6 आना था 6 okay and now it's 4. Now it's 4. The expected was 5. how, how does 2D sorting work? Does it just moves every element? Does it just move every element? Yeah, I think that's what it's doing. Two D sorting in CPP. 2D sorting just moves every element, right? This is highly common when treating rows like database where you want to reorganize the rows using one specific column as the key. You can pass a lambda function. Sort each row independently. Yes. Yes. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do, but it's for auto and row. I think I'll have to do it separately for auto and row of my units. Sort row dot begin, comma row dot end. 5, 4, 6, 6, bro. But sorting might give us TLE. That's the whole point. Sorting might give us TLE. Man. Let's try submitting it. We just have 11 minutes. Heap buffer. Oh. But what are these stupid test cases my code is failing at? If units dot size is greater than 1, shit, bro. My stomach is not good today. My stomach is not good. Units of I, you dumbass. 4, 6, 6, 5, and 19. Yes, that's 5, 5 plus 4, 4 plus 1. Global smallest is between the smallest. Yes. तेरे अपनाया दूरी से ये जुदा लाई At least, bro, this was not a contest wherein I solved only one question. My rank is terrible. I know. It might be 5 digits, bro. My rank might be 5 digits. 15k after. Nah, bro, it can't be 15k, bro. Bro, 15k even though I solved the third question. Fuck. We need to think about the second question. If the subarray contains 5.7k people have done it, how, bro? How? 8.4k people have done it. You want, in every subarray, you want how many, what is the max frequency? What is the number of elements that have max frequency and its length? That's the three things you need in a subarray. We're gonna try brute forcing this. We want the max frequency. How many element has that max frequency? Right. That's all we want. That's all we want. In the end, max frequency equals to total unique minus max frequency वाले elements star 2 होना चाहिए star 2. That should be enough. That should be enough. Now for int k equals to I, k less than equals to j, k plus plus. Bro, 14k even though I solved the third question. What was my rank with the first question then? It's only the first question. Ooh, it's 5k. Me. That's how we like to say, bro. 5k is not bad. For a guy like me who is bad at DSA, bro, I think 5k is okay. It can be better, bro, but I think 5k is okay for a guy like me who's bad at DSA, bro. Bro, and I love you, Shaitan, for suggesting me to solve the third question first, bro. Not even joking, bro. Love you, brother. Love you, bro. My Sunday would have been ruined if I was stuck on this question. If I was stuck on this question, we need to lock in now. My set dot insert. My set dot insert error. Okay, you insert that into your set. Now what you do is frequency of error k बढ़ा दिया. Now what you do is maximum frequency equals to maximum between maximum frequency and frequency of error k. ठीक है, maximum frequency भी पता लगा. Now what you do is first of all, if maximum frequency equals to j minus I plus 1, then maximum answer equals to max between answer comma j minus I plus 1. ओके, अगर मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी लेंथ जितनी ही है, मतलब एक ही एलिमेंट से भरा हुआ है. एल्स int total unique equals to s dot n. Bro, hold on, what? How do we find size of set in CPP? It's just the size, right? That just tells you. Yes, my set dot size. My set dot size. Now what you need to do is, if you also would want to know, bro, you also would want to know how many elements have maximum frequency. That's all. So is there any better way to do this? I mean, I can't think of different approaches now. The time is running out. Let's at least see if we get a TLE. You would want to set stores in a sorted manner in CPP. It does, right? But it's going to store and frequency is only finalized after you see the entire array. So I guess we would have to for constant auto and LE of your my set, if bring this down, you just do if frequency of your current element equals to max frequency, then you can say max s plus plus continue. Now the logic becomes, if max frequency equals to total unique minus max s star 2, then you can say answer equals to max between answer comma j minus I plus 1. I don't even know if this is going to work. 5, hold on, 4, hold on, 1. वो लम्हे वो बातें कोई न जाने नींद सी रातें. Fuck you bro, I'm dead bro. 162, we're getting 3 when the output should be 4 bro. I can't even debug at this point. We can't even debug at this point bro. 2 maps, it'll be TLE. Yeah bro, I'm using 2 maps. 2 maps bro. भाई थर्ड कर लिया बट सेकंड में टीएलई आ गया 904 पे. सेम ब्रो, सेम bro, same. Look at Jansen Froy laughing like an asshole bro. Bro, my rating was exact 2048 for 5 minutes. लीड कोड एनबी मिल जाती बट गिर गई. अब कोई मेरे से पहले वालों को रिपोर्ट कर दो. Damn bro, did you solve the second question? भाई नहीं हो रहा थर्ड भी. Bro, third is doable. Third is greedy bro. What was third's instruction? Third is just greedy. Shaitan brother, I love you for telling me to do third. We have given up. Basically, if there are more than one element, not in terms of count but in terms of unique elements, then there should be frequencies in the subarray, maximum frequency and maximum frequency too. Hold on. Is this guy cooking, bro? Second map ही है, दो map ही है second में. How many am I using? I'm using an unordered map and a set. So map तो दो ही use कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी. Map तो मैं दो ही use कर रहा हूँ. I mean, I'm not gonna solve it any further, bro. It's just 1 minute. It's like frequency hash map stores values and other hash map stores frequency sort. Bro, that is exactly how I'm doing. I'm sorting the unique elements and the frequency. Even then, like I'm feeling if maximum frequency equals to total unique minus max s star 2, then answer j minus I plus 1. Max frequency is itself. Bro, I don't understand. Max s. Bro, this logic should be correct. What is breaking even here? Like, how do I even figure out? 111. Output should be 4. I can't even debug. Crt I J and your 18 seconds. Never mind, bro. At least I did the third question. दो बार TLE आ गया second में. Bro, just chill, bro. Chill. Third was so much easier than second, bro. To be honest, the description was so vague. 555 should be 4. Any map to store normal frequency and others to store frequency of max occurring elements. Max occurring elements. What is bro yapping about? Bro, but we did the third question. Show the code for question 3. Let it end, bro. Let it end. The third question was greedy. Bro. Okay, it has ended. For those who want to see the solution for third, bro, it was just greedy. How the hell am I never able to do the second question these days, bro? It was just greedy. So what you can do is, the only scores for every row, there's going to be a score for every row. You can either get the score as the smallest elements or its second smallest element, right? That's all you can do. Either get the smallest element from a row or its second smallest element, because you can't move things more than once. You may perform, remove exactly. Once you move an element from a row, you cannot move another element. That's why you can only get the smallest number or the second smallest number as the score from a row. So just go greedily. Pick up the row with the smallest, and keep putting in. Bro, I've written my approach here. Understand it. Greedily, we would want all the biggest, second smallest, and we'll put every smallest value into one row. If you want to see my code, bro, I wrote some bullshit. Global smallest. Yeah, I maintained a vector of pair, which stores the second smallest and smallest. We would want all the biggest, second smallest in our answer, and one row with the, we don't care. That's how I did it, bro. That's how I did it. Leetcode is taking revenge for not respecting second question, bro. Leetcode, bro. You've been fucking me in the ass. Please stop, bro. Please stop. Please stop, bro. Because of that real second question, bro. I'm so sorry, lead code, bro. So sorry, bro. If anybody is watching from the lead code headquarters, bro, I'm so sorry. Please start giving second questions easy again, bro. Please start giving second questions easy again. Bro, isn't Tere Naam built today? Bro, honestly, my hair looks good. What are you talking about? It looks good. Bro, play Scribble. Bruh. We need to understand. Solve 3 by 4 rank 3k. Aman brother. Nice. 6 wrong attempt in second. Still not able to solve. Bro, second was easy. Hi bro, kaisa hua? Here comes the aura farmer. Here comes the guy farming aura. And you know what? He has done an all kill again, bro. Sarthak bro, bekar hi gaya, bro. Don't check entrant hub, it's not updated yet. Okay, bro. What is my rank though? My rank is please be in 5k. Please be in 5k. But I think after the cheaters would be updated, bro, it's going to be in 5k. This is in the recent times my best rank. I know it is crazy that I consider 5k as a good rank, but recently I've been doing so bad in lead code contests that this is a good rank for me now. Like if you look at my old contests, bro, their UI is so ass you can't see the rank now. Oh, you can. So my rank in today's contest it's almost 5k. I mean in it's 6k. But recently 7k, 11k. Okay, I did get a 5k rank. Fair. 9k, 13k, 6k, 2k. This was my peak, bro. 2k. How did I used to get a rank like this? 2k, bro. I can't never get a 2k. Hi, how did you? Yo, James, what's up, bro? You said you're back to contest. Did you not give to this contest? Did you not give to this contest? I was watching NBA. Damn, bro. NBA. What time does NBA stream? Okay, okay, bro. Today's contest, I got fucked by the second question. The second question was too tough, bro. Who these GF lover? What are these people yapping, bro? Let's. Do we need to hop on Discord, bro? Do we need to hop on Discord? Hold on. Let's hop on Discord and discuss the second solution, bro. We need to discuss the second solution. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Hop on Discord, bro. We need to discuss the second solution. Later, bro. Later, you're gonna. I lagged today. Lamar was watching Knicks, bro. I mean, fair decision, bro. Doing literally anything is always better than attempting a lead code contest. Let me be honest, bro. Fourth was a nice problem. I didn't even read fourth question, bro. We didn't even read fourth question. Can someone answer this? How are we gonna get sub array sum equals to 80 here? What even question? What question is even this, bro? What question is this? Sub array sum? Is this the fourth question? Is this the fourth question, bro? Bro, nobody even read the fourth question. Pradeep, bro, shut up. Pradeep, bro, like nobody even saw read the fourth question. You're talking about solving it. Just chill. It's fourth, bro. Chill. GeoGuessr. GeoGuessr. Hold on. Before we play GeoGuessr, let's get into study room. Let's get into study room. Get into study room. कैसे हो भाई? क्या रैंक आई? Hold on. Hello bro, hello. क्या रैंक आई? सबकी इतना बेकार गया क्या कॉन्टेस्ट? नोबडी इज स्पीकिंग ब्रो.
हेलो
हेलो भाई, कैसे हो? अमित ब्रो, व्हाट्सअप? कैसा गया भाई?
भाई बढ़िया।
कितनी रैंक बनी?
सेकंड कर लिया था बट
सेकंड कर लिया? और थर्ड?
सेकंड हो गया था थोड़ा उसमें। थर्ड में अटक गया, मेरे को लगा डीपी होगा। मैंने उस समय ग्रीडी का नहीं सोचा। फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एलिमेंट लगाया मैंने, एकदम एरे बनाई मैंने, पूरी वेक्टर बनाया। उसके
हाँ
बाद डीपी करने में टाइम निकल गया।
भाई,
वो भी
मतलब
टीएल ही आता उसमें।
सेकंड कर लिया, थर्ड नहीं करा भाई।
अरे तो
क्या हो रहा
सेकंड
है?
करके ज्यादा खुश हो गया था ना,
हाँ
3 के
वैसे,
रैंक आ गई थी।
अभी क्या रैंक बनी है ओवरऑल?
अभी 5800 कुछ चल रही थी।
5800। ये कैसे हो सकता है? मैंने मैंने थर्ड करा है, तो फिर मेरी 6 के रैंक कैसे है भाई?
नहीं नहीं, अब नहीं, आ गई 7000 आ गई, वो नीचे आ
थर्ड का
गई।
ज्यादा, शायद ज्यादा पॉइंट था ना।
किसका भाई? थर्ड का ज्यादा होगा ना?
हाँ थर्ड हो गया ना। अरे मैंने पहले चेक करी थी ना, मैंने अभी नहीं करी,
हाँ
अभी 7000 बन गई।
भाई, कैसे करा सेकंड भाई, समझाइएगा प्लीज। सेकंड
भाई
कैसे करा भाई?
हाँ भाई, समझा सकता हूँ मैं।
समझाइए।
इसमें ना
थर्ड
थोड़ा
के ज्यादा
देख,
पॉइंट
इसमें
थे,
वो होगा ना।
5 पॉइंट,
वन
5 पॉइंट था
वन
थर्ड।
ही थ्री था हमारी, तो हम रेंज में चेक कर सकते थे। जैसे हमारी एक रेंज बनी एक्स से आई तक बीच में, उसमें जैसे हमने काउंट ऑफ वो ले लिया, फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंट ले रहे हो, फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंट का भी हम एक वो फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंट ले रहे हैं।
स्क्रीन शेयर करके थोड़ा मतलब समझा सकते हो यार? मैं थोड़ा बेवकूफ टाइप हूँ। स्क्रीन शेयर हो सकता है भाई?
1 मिनट जस्ट। हाँ भाई रुको, मैं जरा कोड खोल लेता हूँ इसका।
खोलो भाई, खोलो। कोड खोलो भाई, खोलिए कोड। God forbid a man can't even ask his doubts, bro. Nobody solves a fourth question. Pradeep, bro, shut up. Is that guy even audible? You guys can't hear him?
दिख रहा है?
भाई 8 इनकरेक्ट अटेम्प्ट सेकंड वन में। जी भाई मेरे
भाई दिख रहा है?
भाई 5। हाँ भाई, दिख रहा है भाई।
तो सही है। जैसे हमने क्या था, उसकी हमारी 1000 रेंज थी ना, 1 ही 3 था, तो 1 ही 3 तो उसमें चेक कर सकते थे, 1 ही 6 बनता अगर उसमें चेक कर दे। जैसे हमारा वन, वो पहले मैंने बेस कंडीशन डाली, अगर 1 है तो 1 ही आंसर होगा। अभी मैं पर्टिकुलर रेंज के लिए एक अनऑर्डर्ड मैप बना रहा हूँ, जिसमें मैं रेंज चेक कर रहा हूँ एक्स से लेकर आई तक। लो।
हाँ हाँ भाई, देख रहा हूँ मैं कोड देख रहा था। ये करा क्या आपने? हर
और
सवारी के लिए चेक करा?
हाँ, हर सब एरे के लिए, क्योंकि हमारी वो थी ना रेंज थी यहाँ पर, 1 ही 3 थी ना, 1 ही 3 1 ही 6 होता, तो उसमें चेक कर सकते थे।
For int x equals to 0, x for int I equals to x, I guess। ठीक है,
तो फिर
ओके
मैंने
भाई।
जहाँ चेक कर, फ्रीक्वेंसी का भी फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंट ले रहा हूँ ना। जैसे मैंने पहले एक, जैसे काउंट आया मेरे पे उस पर्टिकुलर सवेरे के लिए, मतलब जैसे 2 आया, 2 प्लस प्लस करने, 2 की फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 हो गई।
हाँ,
अब मैंने उस वन की फ्रीक्वेंसी को भी बढ़ाया है। जो 1 की फ्रीक्वेंसी थी ना, जैसे 2 की फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 हुई,
अच्छा। तो
तो 2 की
फ्रीक्वेंसी
फ्रीक्वेंसी
की भी
1 थी
फ्रीक्वेंसी
मैंने।
ले रहे हो? फ्रीक्वेंसी की भी फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 ले रहे
हाँ,
हो? लेकिन ये तो
और जो फ्री,
फाइनल होगा ना? मतलब ये तो जब सबकी
नहीं मैं,
फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइनलाइज हो जाएगी तब बढ़ाओगे ना, तब बढ़ाओगे घटाओगे?
हाँ तो मैं ये घटा भी रहा हूँ ना साथ में। मैंने पहले टेम्प में यही चेक करा था, अगर जो मेरा अभी करंट एलिमेंट जो मैंने डाला है वो पहले से अगर एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो
हाँ
मैंने उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ले ली है।
हाँ। ओ,
मैंने फिर उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी माइनस कर दी।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
तो फिर मैं फिर साइज चेक करा, अगर मेरा काउंट है, काउंट यानी अगर क्विज में बनेगा, एक 2x बनेगा और एक x बनेगा।
क्या क्या? एक।
समझ रहे? एक x बनेगा जो स्मॉलेस्ट की फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी, और एक बनेगा 2x, क्योंकि 2 टाइम्स बोला है ना हमने, ग्रेटेस्ट था, स्मॉलेस्ट का 2 टाइम्स
अच्छा,
होगा
आप सीधा
ग्रेटेस्ट।
स्मॉलेस्ट, आप सीधा स्मॉलेस्ट और वो देख रहे हो, मैक्सिमम।
और या तो हम, मेरा अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी सबकी सेम है, तो मैप का साइज होगा हमारा 1,
1, हाँ
क्योंकि मैप मेरा उसमें स्टोर कर रहा है।
हाँ
तो बस मैंने बस यहाँ वही चेक करा है,
भाई।
अगर मेरा मैप में हुआ।
मतलब आप सीधा सिर्फ स्मॉलेस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी और मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी देख रहे हो, है ना?
हाँ, यही तो करना है उसमें, क्योंकि देखो, 3 के लिए 6 ही होगा, अगर 3 के लिए 4 होगा वो वैलिड नहीं है।
नहीं नहीं, अब मान लो जैसे एक एरे हुआ
हम्म।
जिसमें वैल्यूज आ गई 4 4। मान लो मैक्सिमम
एक
फ्रीक्वेंसी है,
मिनट।
मैक्सिमम, हाँ लिख लो भाई। मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी ले लो, लिखो जैसे 4444। इसमें अब लिखो 1 और 2, 1 और 2।
हाँ तो इसका आंसर होगा, इसका आंसर हमारा 4 होगा।
इसका आंसर 4
जैसे रन
होगा?
कर, हाँ,
यार मेरे को तो क्वेश्चन ही अच्छा लग रहा है, ढंग से समझ नहीं आया भाई।
इसका आंसर 4
ये
होगा ना,
क्वेश्चन
क्योंकि देखो
है ही वैसा। सेकंड और थर्ड टेस्ट केस खुद ही आपस में कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रहे हैं।
इसमें कहा है कि हमारा अगर सिंगल एलिमेंट होंगे, यानी हमारी अगर मैप का साइज 1 होगा, क्योंकि हम पे 4 बार 4 है, एक वो भी वैलिड आंसर है।
हाँ हाँ।
और एक इसमें कहा है कि हम पे जो हमारा मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी, यानी 4 हमारी मैक्सिमम हो जाती है, और जो स्मॉलेस्ट होंगे वो 1 होंगे, वो 1 2 होंगे, क्योंकि उन दोनों की फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 है। तो 1 की फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 है और 2 की फ्रीक्वेंसी भी 1 है।
हम्म। हाँ।
तो इसमें ये वैलिड हो जाएगा, ये भी वैलिड होगा एक बार, ये वाला 4 4 1 2।
व्हाट इज दिस क्वेश्चन यार? क्या भाई, कितने बजे उठे भाई आज? कितने बजे उठे आप भाई?
भाई
नंबर्स की
मैं
फ्रीक्वेंसी या तो मैक्सिमम की हाफ होगी या फिर मैक्सिमम ही होगी।
ये
और
कैसे?
एक
ये है
अगर
क्वेश्चन।
मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी इवन है तभी चेक करेंगे, अगर ऑड है तो
हाँ, ऑड
डायरेक्टली
ऑड
बोल
की ऑब्वियसली ऑड की हाफ नहीं हो सकती ना।
हम्म,
वो अच्छा, हाँ मतलब ऑड के केस में तो चलो हो गया, सी नहीं कैंसिल है। लेकिन नंबर्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी है तो मैक्सिमम की हाफ होगी या मैक्सिमम होगी?
एक बार ना मैं तुम्हें कोड शेयर करता हूँ, एक बार अपने एडिटर में डाल के देखो, तब तुम्हें ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, जब अपना सिंगल सिंगल लाइन देखूंगा ना।
मैं समझ गया। ये तो भाई बढ़िया बात करी है कि नंबर्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी है तो मैक्सिमम होगी या मैक्सिमम के हाफ होगी भाई। बढ़िया बात है भाई। Damn यार।
मेरा इससे थोड़ा अलग था मेरा।
कैसा था भाई?
ऐसा समझ गया
एक
था,
फ्री
मेरे मतलब लास्ट के 5-6 टेस्ट केसेस गलत आ रहे थे, पता नहीं क्यों।
तुमने वो चेक करा था अगर मैप का साइज 1 होगा, अगर सारे एलिमेंट सेम होंगे?
मैंने एक ही मैप में करा था, मैंने इनफैक्ट 2 मैप भी नहीं बनाए थे।
भाई साहब।
अरे मेरा बीच में क्या हुआ पता है, अपन लेंथ रिटर्न कर रहे हैं ना मैक्सिमम
हाँ
J-i+1, तो मैंने
हाँ
गलती से
हाँ
मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी रिटर्न कर दी थी, और वो 999 में से 998 टेस्ट केसेस पास हो रहा था।
है।
बाद में जब जाके मैंने देखा कि वो J-i+1 रिटर्न कर रहा था, तब जाके 700 टेस्ट केसेस पास हो रहा था। मैं ये देख रहा हूँ एक गलत करने पे क्यों ज्यादा टेस्ट केस पास हो रहे हैं। फिर मेरे को 10 मिनट के लिए लगने लगा कि मैंने जो गलत करा था वही सही होगा।
क्या हो रहा है भाई ये? भाई।
पहली बार हुआ मेरे से, जो सेकंड अगर मुश्किल आता है ना, फर्स्ट ट्राई में चल गया वो।
और फर्स्ट ट्राई में चल गया भाई। यार ये ये
भाई
ऑब्जर्वेशन
फर्स्ट ट्राई
अच्छी
में
थी
कैसे?
यार। ये ऑब्जर्वेशन अच्छी थी कि एलिमेंट्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी कैन आइदर भी। मैंने पता क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन ने पहले, मैं आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग कि या तो एलिमेंट की फ्रीक्वेंसी मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी या फिर 1 होगी, जबकि वो गलत है ना। मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी के हाफ होगी, ये सही बात है। मेरा धीरे चलता है भाई थोड़ा दिमाग, कभी ये नहीं हुआ भाई। थर्ड कैसे नहीं हुआ अगर आपने
भाई
इतना
तुमसे
पढ़
थर्ड,
लिया? सेकंड बना लिया भाई।
अरे मैं इसको करके ज्यादा वो हो गया। अब मैंने जो थर्ड थर्ड करा ना, थर्ड के लिए मैंने ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स कर दिया इसे। पहले मैंने यहाँ पर एक एरे बनाई, इस शॉर्ट तो मैं पहले मैंने यहाँ एरे एरे बना दी उसकी मिनिमम एलिमेंट्स के लिए, जो 2 मिनिमम एलिमेंट्स होंगे। अब फिर वहां पर मैं खाली डीपी लगाने की सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं इससे इधर को भेजूंगा, उससे उधर को भेजूंगा।
भाई ग्रीडी था यार, क्योंकि स्मॉलेस्ट और सेकंड
एक
स्मॉलेस्ट मिलेगा बस।
वो तो
भाई
था,
साहब।
मगर इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाया मैं। छोड़ा, अब जो हो गया हो गया।
भाई थर्ड वाले के टेस्ट केस देख के लग रहा है कि वो लाइक वैल्यू सॉर्टर दे रखे हैं उन लोगों ने।
भाई वो तो हमेशा यार, अब आप लेट कोड करते हो अब तक आपको समझ जाना चाहिए। वो टेस्ट केस में दिखाएंगे वैल्यू सॉर्टेड
भाई
है,
लेकिन नहीं
लेकिन नहीं
करना
होती।
चाहिए, एटलीस्ट कॉन्टेस्ट में तो ढंग से देना चाहिए ना।
भाई वो ये उनका ये कहना है कि अगर लिखा नहीं है तो वाई आर यू अज्यूमिंग, सीधी बात है। अगर होती सॉर्टेड तो वो लिख देते। भाई वो चालाकी करते हैं लीड कोड वाले यार, क्या करे उनका। ये बात
भाई तुम
मतलब
थर्ड समझा दो, थर्ड हो गया था
भाई
सबका।
हो
दुख
हो गया
तब
था
नहीं
भाई।
होता जब वो नहीं होता है, दुख तब होता है जब ऑलरेडी सॉर्टर दे रखे होते हैं और अपन समझते हैं कि सॉर्टर
हाँ,
नहीं दे रखे।
फिर तो लिखना, उन्हें लिखना चाहिए ना भाई यार, क्वेश्चन में अगर सॉर्टेड दे रखे हैं तो भाई लिखना चाहिए
नीचे
उन्हें तो।
कंस्ट्रेंट में कहीं छुपा के लिखते हैं यार।
भाई सही बात है। अरे सार्थक भाई आगे, सार्थक भाई ऑल किल।
अरे 5 करे होंगे उन्होंने।
पिछले कॉन्टेस्ट का भी फोर्थ क्वेश्चन।
नहीं नहीं, डेली क्वेश्चन भी कर दिया होगा
डेली।
कॉन्टेस्ट में टाइम बचने के बाद।
सार्थक भाई शांत है भाई। ऑल डॉम्बोज इन वन
हेलो,
प्लेस।
किलर।
चांद पपिया ब्रो।
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी सर आ रही है। कैसा गया सर? ऑल किल।
आज का सही गया। आज फोर्थ बहुत अच्छा था।
बहुत अच्छा था। आज आपको इजी नहीं लगा फोर्थ?
नहीं, इट वाज मतलब बहुत सोचने में टाइम लगा कि कैसे होगा।
कितने लोगों ने करा है भाई फोर्थ क्वेश्चन आज? कितने
क्वेश्चन भी नहीं
क्वेश्चन?
पढ़ा होगा भाई।
क्वेश्चन
मैंने
पढ़ते भी
क्वेश्चन भी
नहीं
नहीं
यार।
पढ़ा।
फोर्थ वाज टफ टुडे, मुझे तो टफ लगा।
3
मेरा 9
प्लस
तो
बजे
थर्ड पे
कॉन्टेस्ट
भी
हो
नहीं
गया था,
पहुंचा।
3 क्वेश्चन। 9 बजे तीनों क्वेश्चन सबमिट हो गए थे, मैंने बंद करके रख दिया, स्ट्रीम ओपन करके बैठ गया मैं 9 बजे से।
सही बात है भाई, ये सही होता है।
आधा घंटा मैंने क्वेश्चन तक नहीं पढ़ा।
सौम्या भाई भी तो कोई बहुत प्रो है ना, उनका हो गया भाई 4th क्वेश्चन, इफ आई रिमेम्बर भाई। सौम्या भाई भी कोई कोड फोर्सेस वाले थे।
नहीं नहीं, तो सिर्फ फर्स्ट हुआ था।
सिर्फ फर्स्ट हुआ था, ओके।
हाँ, हम नहीं हुए।
क्या?
मेरे से नहीं होता है, मेरे से नहीं होता है कोडिंग। तो सिर्फ
अरे
फर्स्ट
भाई,
हुआ, उसके बाद फिर नहीं हो पाया।
फिर तो हम भी भाई, हम और आप एक ही बिरादरी के हैं भाई। मुझसे भी सेकंड क्वेश्चन नहीं होते भाई।
अरे भाई
सेकंड में
प्लस
स्लाइडिंग विंडो,
आज
सेकंड
प्लस आ
में
रहा है।
स्लाइडिंग विंडो लगाने को चाहिए, बट हुआ नहीं।
हाँ सेम, मैं भी स्लाइडिंग विंडो सोच रहा था भाई, अब तो यार आदत हो गई है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन इतना टफ आता है ना भाई, क्या करे भाई। एक हम है और एक सार्थक भाई है, अलग ही लेवल है यार। सार्थक भाई यार, कभी ऐसे भाई,
सेकंड का स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा सा एम्बिगुअस लगा मुझे, एक दो जगह
है ना।
जो उससे जो फ्रीक्वेंसी या डेफिनेशन थी।
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में हो गया था सार्थक भाई सेकंड क्वेश्चन।
नहीं मतलब सैंपल ही गलत हो गया था मेरा, पेनल्टी नहीं है बट हाँ।
अच्छा,
जो
कैसे करा आपने?
दो मैप्स ही मेंटेन करे, फ्रीक्वेंसी का और फ्रीक्वेंसी की फ्रीक्वेंसी का।
और क्या कहते हैं, वही मतलब हर सवारे में चेक करो।
हाँ
भाई सही बात है यार।
मैंने मैंने उल्टा करा है फिर तो। फ्रीक्वेंसी और वैल्यू का एक स्टोर करा है, और एक वैल्यू विथ फ्रीक्वेंसी का, दोनों में स्टोर किया। उसका
फ्रीक्वेंसी,
लेंथ
मतलब
चेक करके पता चल जाएगा ना, एक एक
मतलब हम
फ्रीक्वेंसी की कितनी
वैसे
वैल्यूज है,
हर एलिमेंट
उसका
की
सेट।
फ्रीक्वेंसी और हर फ्रीक्वेंसी की फ्रीक्वेंसी वही हुआ ना।
हाँ
हाँ, मतलब हर फ्रीक्वेंसी का एलिमेंट स्टोर करके उसकी लेंथ निकाली है, हर फ्रीक्वेंसी की फ्रीक्वेंसी मिल जाएगी।
ओके।
फ्रीक्वेंसी और फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाना चाहिए, थॉट नहीं आया।
यो कैसा रहा सुदेश ब्रो? ब्रो ओके ओके गया ब्रो। ओके देन भाई,
भाई पॉजिटिव उठा रहे आज,
आज मेरा
पार्टी की
पॉजिटिव है।
तरह भाई।
आज मेरा पॉजिटिव है।
यस,
क्या बात कर रहे
प्लस
हो?
1.75।
इसमें पार्टी चाहिए अमित भाई, शर्म आ रही है आपको? है 1 किलो बढ़ने पे मैं पार्टी दूं आपको? है भाई, थोड़ा शर्म कर लो यार।
वेट,
ब्रो वंस पार्टी की, मेरा 1 किलो बढ़ गया भाई। वाह।
भाई मैंने 9 बजे चेक करा था, मेरा +40 आ रहा था, अब
हाँ,
+15 आ रहा है।
+15 भाई, बुरा थोड़ी है। +1 फाइनली ब्रो, वी आर नॉट लूजिंग ब्रो, एटलीस्ट
तुमसे
भाई।
बस 10 रेटिंग पीछे हूँ अब।
10 रेटिंग पीछे। भाई अगले कॉन्टेस्ट में,
1800 से
अगले कॉन्टेस्ट में आगे
थर्ड
निकल
इन
जाओगे भाई।
1800,
अगले कॉन्टेस्ट में आगे आ
पीक पे
जाओगे।
चल रहा हूँ।
पीक पे चल रहे हो भाई, नाइस ब्रो, नाइस।
अरे अपने में से कोई DSIH में जा रहा है 18 को, आ रहा है,
किसमें?
मतलब आ रहा है
किसमें?
गोल्डमैन सैक्स इंडिया हैकाथॉन।
नहीं भाई, मतलब मेरे को नहीं
CS ऑफ
पता,
बॉन्ड
मेरे को नहीं पता भाई। कोई जा रहा हो तो आप चैट में पूछ सकते हो, कोई जा रहा हो तो भाई, मे भी कोई जा
टू
रहा हो।
20
क्या है, हैकाथॉन है?
बैंगलोर। हैकाथॉन तो हो गया, प्रेजेंटेशन देना है बस।
अच्छा, मतलब सेकंड राउंड है?
सेकंड फाइनल राउंड है, फाइनल
फाइनल राउंड
फाइनल
है?
है बस।
आप सिलेक्ट हो भाई?
या
तुम जा रहे हो क्या?
या
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन अमित भाई।
अरे
वर्थ
बुरा
ब्रो,
लग रहा है
तुम,
इसमें।
वर्थ भाई तुम्हारी मैक्सिमम कितनी थी एक समय पे? तुम्हारी शायद कम हुई ना, मतलब गार्डियन से भी तो तुम काफी ऊपर हो। हेलो वर्थ
हेलो।
हाँ जी भाई।
भाई, तुम्हारी मैक्सिमम कितनी थी, मैक्सिमम टू
देखना
थाउजेंड
पड़ेगा,
मैं बता देता हूँ,
एक सेकंड।
2300 होगी, 2300 वर्थ भाई, 2300 से ऊपर
चौबीस
हुई
सौ
ना
तो
भाई।
अभी है, 2400 तो अभी है।
2559।
भाई तुम
30
मुझे किंग नाइट को भी पहुंचा सकते हो अभी, अपनी आधी थोड़ी रेटिंग दे के गार्डियन भी बन जाऊंगा मैं।
अरे
भाई
10 बंदों को नाइट पे पहुंचा सकता है अभी
एक ही
इंस्टेंट।
बंदा, यही यही होती है कैपिटलिस्टिक सोसाइटी भाई, एक ही बंदा सारी रेटिंग बटोर रहा है। वर्थ भाई थोड़ा सोशलिस्ट बनो, बांटो अपनी रेटिंग, ये क्या हो रहा है भाई, सारी रेटिंग आप ही
रिचर गेट्स
बटोरोगे।
रिचर,
हाँ।
रिच गेट्स रिचर।
पुअर गेट्स पुअरर मेरी तरह, और यहाँ पे
भाई
25।
तुम्हें हेलो वर्थ भाई, तुम्हें क्या लगता है सीएफ करने में फायदा है क्या उसकी? क्योंकि अगर तुम सीएफ कर दे देना, उसमें तुमने बहुत ज्यादा कर रहा है, तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल चेक करी थी मैंने।
मतलब मजा आती है।
मजा आती है।
सीएफ की वजह से ही तुम्हें लगता है ना कि अभी लीड कोड थोड़ा आसान है कंपैरेटिवली?
मैंने हाँ एक्सपर्ट बनने के बाद ही लीड कोड स्टार्ट किया था। सो आई मेरे पहले कॉन्टेस्ट में मैंने ऑल किल किया था, स्टार्ट किया था, मतलब उसके पहले साल भर हो गया था करे हुए।
भाई पहला कॉन्टेस्ट ऑल किल, मेरे आज तक जीवन में सिर्फ 2 ऑल किल हुए हैं ब्रो। व्हाट इज दिस गाय?
भाई
मेरा
भाई
एक भी नहीं।
एक्सपर्ट बनने का मतलब भाई सारे में ऑल किल हो सकते हैं भाई, उसमें कितना टाइम लगा है।
भाई
और
वो
तुमने पढ़ा कहाँ से था, मतलब ये सारे बेसिक छोटी छोटी सी एल्गोरिदम है, मतलब जो कहीं लगती नहीं और फिर एकदम से आ जाती हैं, सारी
मतलब
कहाँ कहाँ से पढ़ी तुमने?
सोर्सेज हैं सीपी एल्गोरिथम्स वगैरह, वही से पढ़े हैं।
वहां से तो मैं पढ़ रहा
यार
हूँ,
ब्रो।
मतलब जैसे तुमने भी वो पढ़ाया बताया था ना उसके एल्गोरिदम्स में, बेसिक तो पढ़ लिया मैंने भी। जैसे मेरा क्या है करंटली, मैंने ना थोड़ा थोड़ा सब पढ़ चुका है।
ब्रा
अब
भाई
क्या है, मैं
और
कंफ्यूज
उससे
था
मत
कि
पूछो, ये पूछो टाइम कितना लगा।
भाई
टाइम
उन्हें तो
कितना
बहुत
लगा
टाइम
था?
लगा, 1000 क्वेश्चन उन्होंने सीएफ में करी थे।
3-4 साल लग गए कितना।
एक
वो
जिंदगी
तो
में
अभी
हो जाता
शायद जॉब में हो चुके हैं, 2 साल हो चुके हैं ना जॉब में तुम्हें भाई।
अरे
अब
वर्थ
मैं
भाई।
1 साल हो गया है मुझे, 1 साल हो गया है।
हाँ
भाई आपको एक्सपर्ट रीच करने में कितना टाइम लगा था भाई, सार्थक भाई?
1 साल से ज्यादा लगा था।
1 साल से ज्यादा स्क्रैच से चालू करने पे है ना? सीधा सीएफ, सीएफ स्क्रैच से करा था।
हाँ बट उसके पहले मुझे कोडिंग थोड़ी बहुत आती थी।
भाई मतलब आप क्या, मतलब क्या ही चल रहा है ये? कब स्क्रैच से कब चालू करा आपने कि
है।
आप
एक
ही
साल
समझ
में
रहे
भी
हो?
नहीं
लाइक
मतलब कोडिंग इन
बहुत
द सेंस
बढ़िया
कि मैं आईसीसी बोर्ड से था, तो मैंने स्कूल में जावा करी थी।
अच्छा, तो
तो
फिर अब
उसमें
आप
लिटरली बाइनरी सर्च वगैरह 10th में पढ़ाते हैं।
हैं 10th में बाइनरी सर्च?
हाँ हाँ,
भाई अब मेरे को समझ आ रहा है।
सॉर्टिंग सर्चिंग बाइनरी सर्च में था।
अब मेरे को समझ आ रहा है भाई सार्थक की ओरिजिन स्टोरी। 10th से डीएसए चालू हो रखा है, तो भाई 1 साल में एक्सपर्ट बन
ऐ-
गए 10th से डीएसए
ऐसा
भाई।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
भाई बाइनरी
मतलब
सर्च
बहुत लोग
भी
हैं
मैं,
जिनको नहीं आता, वो भी पहुंचते हैं। मेरे दोस्त हैं।
आपके दोस्त है भाई, आपके दोस्त आपकी तरह काफी इंटेलिजेंट होंगे भाई। मतलब बाइनरी सर्च में अभी गलत कर दूं, आप 10th में मुझसे बेटर बाइनरी सर्च लिखते थे मतलब।
आज का फोर्थ मतलब बाइनरी सर्च ही है।
फोर्थ काफी कम लोगों ने करा, बस 220 लोगों ने करा भाई, 230।
और बहुत बाद में क्लिक किया कि बाइनरी सर्च है।
भाई साहब देखेंगे, यूर अलाउड टू स्वाब। चलो भाई, हो गए 10 बज गए आज तो। क्या प्लान है भाई संडे का? क्या प्लान है संडे का? यहाँ पे किसी का कोई प्लान है तो पूरे दिन लीड कोड?
भाई कचौरी समोसे का प्लान है।
कचौरी समोसे शाबाश, कचौरी समोसे एंड लीड कोड। और किसी का भाई? सार्थक भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो संडे?
मुझे थोड़ा काम है, उसी उसी में लगूंगा
ओह,
मैं।
काम
लीड
है।
कोड तो नहीं।
काम है, मैं समझ रहा हूँ कौन सा मिलने वाला काम ना भाई, किसी से।
सॉरी।
किसी से मतलब मिलने जाना है ना?
नहीं, थोड़ा ऑफिस का देखना है
अच्छा
थोड़ा सा।
ऑफिस, संडे को ऑफिस?
नहीं मतलब अभी ऐसे नहीं, थोड़ा घर के काम है मोस्टली, और ऑफिस का थोड़ा सा
ओके
देखना है मुझे। हाँ।
ओके ओके, नाइस ब्रो नाइस। चलो भाई, ओके देन, थैंक यू जिसने समझाया, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आई लीव दिस मीटिंग, आप गाइस यू गाइस कंटिन्यू, बाय बाय। ब्रो सार्थक फॉर श्योर इज गोइंग टू मीट हिज गर्लफ्रेंड। ब्रो सार्थक इज गोइंग टू मीट हिज गर्ल ब्रो। मैं एल्गोरिथम इंजीनियर रोल सोच के जा रहा हूँ जिसको एआई भी नहीं ले सकता। ब्रा व्हाट इज ब्रो yapping about? एल्गोरिथम इंजीनियर जिसको एआई भी नहीं ले सकता? व्हाट इज ब्रो yapping about? +31 bro. Jason got a +31 bro. What? +31, that is crazy, that is crazy. सेकंड का समझा, मैं लीव किया था लाइव। सेकंड का समझा ब्रो, I didn't do second, I didn't do second, we didn't do second bro. In the starting I was able to solve second question regularly. I used to take so much time, but when it was time to improve, lead code started giving second question that take 1 hour. Bro, lead code second questions are crazy tough bro these days. AI सबके लिए ले सकता है। Exactly Pradeep bro, exactly. Second समझा? Yes sir, yes sir. Bro, I slept through my CF contest and वो easy था, specialist बन जाता है। Devjot bro, what are you doing? Sleeping? Coder Army का Spring Boot course आ गया free में YouTube में। Nice bro, do it then, do it. That's it bro, I guess that's it bro. Enjoy your Sunday, life is much more than lead code. And you know what? I'm also on a side note, bro. On a side note, okay. On a side note, I didn't talk about this. But we need to talk about this, bro. We need to talk about this. This is a moment to either regret or celebrate. But look at this number. We have been doing Leetcode for every day since the past one goddamn year. How crazy is that? Yet I'm still ass at it. I have the 365 days badge. I've given 50 contests, almost 50 contests now, and I've been doing Leetcode every day for the past 1 year, bro. Am I stupid? Even after doing it daily for a past year, I'm still trash at it. I'm still not guardian or anything, bro. But you know what? For this occasion, I'm I'm thinking to film a long format video, bro, talking about this 1 year anniversary of doing Leetcode every day. Yeah, my first contest was able to solve first but got cooked in second, bro. Today's second question was good. Yes, and woke up at 5 today to study and then went for a run. Bro, talking about run, bro. Devjot, bro. Hold on. This guy said run. Can we open Strava on here? Strava, bro. Log in. Sign up with Google. Way above. Log in, bro. Bro, Devjot, bro. For the first time in my life, I did a 5K, bro. Be honest. How good is the space? Oh, the fuck, bro. I'm not even sure. Be honest. How good is the space, bro? This was the first 5K of my life. I ran a 5 kilometer in 38:30. The pace was 7:36, bro. How good is this, bro? How good is this? Should we look at the replay? Let's look at the replay. Not a standard map. We need a satellite map. Bro, I just realized I leaked my location. I mean, who cares, bro? Who cares? It doesn't matter. Let's look at the replay. Bro, why can't I zoom in? Bro, I can't zoom in or anything. What a stupid GPX. Bro, I can't zoom in or anything. Oh yeah, we can. Okay, look at my replay, bro. Look at my replay, bro. Bro, zoom the hell in, you dumbass. Okay, bro, we're not even saying. But 5 kilometers in 38:30, bro. Is that good or bad? Good or bad, bro? Let's go. I'm also a rookie, so it's nice. Only 5K? Bro, who does Pradeep think he is? Bro, Pradeep, I'm not even joking. You're gonna pee yourself if you ever try to run even a 1 kilometer run, bro. Lol, bro, I've run 6K uphill. Bro. So is everybody better than me at DSA? Everybody better than me at running, bro? Am I trash at everything? I'm taking a chance for myself running regularly since there's a 5K marathon here next month. Bro, a marathon is just 5. Marathons are longer than 5K, right? Marathons are longer than 5K. What do you mean? Puresh, that's me who commented on LinkedIn. Hold on. Who are you talking about? Rohit Singh. Oh, you're talking about. Okay, I know who this guy is talking about. Rohit Singh. Okay, let's see. It was on Adesh's post, right? He's talking about this comment. This. Yeah. Okay. This is you, bro. This is you. Rohit Singh. Let me show his comment, bro. Let me show his comment. I wrote Adesh on Adesh's post because he's doing so good. I just wrote, bro's good needs to be studied. And this guy replied, Rohit Singh, then do na एक question करके बैठ जाएगा. Hand emoji, laughing emoji. Let's look at his profile now, bro. This is you, Rohit Singh, brother. And he has removed his DP. He had his DP. I swear to God, he had his DP when the last time I checked it. He removed it because he knew I'm gonna check his profile today. Like, bro, Shut up. Shut up. He removed his DP just because he knew that I'm gonna look at his profile today. सोचा था आज बर्थडे है तो कॉन्टेस्ट दूंगा उठाए. Yo, Electus bro, where have you been? Where have you been, sir? Happy birthday, sir. Electus bro, it's a long time. The last time you came on stream, bro. How is life? कैसा चल रहा है, bro? Happy birthday. Yes, bro. Rohit Singh, bro. You're so smart. Just because you know I'm gonna check your profile today, you removed your DP, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. This guy removed DP just because I'm gonna. Let's look at his lead code then. Maybe let's look at his lead code. In fact, I think I. Hold on. Why is it not opening? Why is it not opening? Not opening. Not opening. Office से वक्त हूँ थोड़ा. There's no time to do. Bro, you can wake up on weekends. What are you talking about, bro? I mean, I do understand, but you can do it on weekends, bro. What do you mean? Code lead on him, bro. Did he ban me or what, bro? I can't open his. I can't open this, bro. Okay, here it is. Code lead on him, Rohit-Baba. Lead code u/Rohit-Baba. Is that him? Rohit minus Baba. Okay. Let's check, bro. Okay, fair. 1000 questions, 1670 rating. Should we code lead on him? I don't think so. He would be cheating. Nah, I mean fair, bro. At least bro doesn't copy paste. Bro doesn't copy paste. That's good point. But bro, chill, bro. What are you doing in LinkedIn, brother? This is LinkedIn. 500 problems. That's not a number. That's pure dedication. Love how you emphasize consistency. Bro, chill, bro. Chill. इतने ऑफिस वाले बैठे हैं इधर कोई रेफरल दे दो. Bro, look at Pudish. He gives contest runs 5k as well as Goon. Exactly, bro. We have been giving contests losing rating, but I also ran a 5k, the first 5k of my life. Pradeep bhai, I can't compete with the GOAT Vaibhav. Oh, Electus bro, you're my senior. Chill, bro. Chill. अरे संडे को रिलैक्स करने का मन करता है. Late mornings and shit. Bro, it is still, you still woke up at 10. 10 is not late. लड़की देख के जल गया ना. Fair, bro. Fair. Rohit, bro. Fair. Fair, bro. Best tuber, best YouTuber, Riya Verma. Thank you, bro. How did your contest go, bro? How did your contest go? Aradhya Patel. Hold on. Aradhya Patel wants to learn how the tech work and want to contribute in it. Aradhya Patel, a corny description, but I'm seeing that you've been trying to stay consistent. Stay consistent, bro. Why didn't you give today's contest? What the hell are you doing, Aradhya Patel, bro? GLA University, why didn't you give today's contest? You gotta keep giving the contests, bro. Let's see if you're... See, just because bro's honest, bros get a... Hold on. Is bro honest? Merge close characters. There was a large paste, bro. Oh... Bro, I'm unfollowing this guy. This guy cheats. What the hell are you doing, Aradhya Patel, bro? What the hell are you doing? You do know I have code lead, right? And you're telling me to review your ID when you cheat. What the hell are you doing, bro? And he's laughing now. And he's laughing, bro. Bro. Why did you use two-string in first? किसी का discussion में solution. Bro, Sarthak, initially I was just doing percentage modulo 10 and then right shift by 1. But for some reason it was not giving the right answers. So I was like, I'm not gonna debug. I'm just going to use two-string. I'm just going to do two-string. Purishta, I follow you. Bro, Rohit Singh, bro. Rohit Baba. Rohit-Baba. He followed me. Did he follow me? Bro, honestly, unfollow me, bro. We have a beef between us. I can't follow you, bro. Unfollow me. Unfollow me. No Scribble today? Nah, bro. Scribble is too long. Scribble is too long, bro. Scribble is too long. Right shift by 1 is for bitwise. So it's equivalent to... Oh, I understood, bro. Holy shit. Why was I right shifting by 1? It's not binary. Yeah, you're right, Sarthak. I understood, bro. I understood. I understood. Okay. Fair, bro. That's why it was wrong. That's why it was wrong. We have a beef between us. What are you laughing, Pradeep, bro? What are you laughing? Check updated rankings, bro. Around 200 people got banned. 200 people got banned? Hold on. Did 200 people get banned? Weekly contest 506. Ranking. Ranking. Yes, bro. This is what we like to see. Watch me win. Not enough activity detected in Leetcode editor. External paste. So there's a 17 seconds external paste. Yeah, bro. Gary Kasparov. Okay, bro. 5.4k is a good rank. 5.4k is a good rank. Collab with a YouTube crush when, bruh, she never replied. Bro, this is like basic of bit manipulation. You don't know that. Bro, Jason, of course I do know it. At that point of time, I was like, if I can convert it to string, why not just do it like that? I forgot, bro. It was a silly mistake. Everybody does silly mistake. What do you mean? Dread, what's up, bro? How have you been? How have you been? How have you been, bro? It's like basic. Yeah, just chill. We will make sure she collabs with you. Don't worry, mate. We got it, bro. Please don't. Please don't. At this point, please don't, bro. Chill. Please don't. We don't want to creep her out, bro. Please don't. Please, please, bro. Let's just leave it, bro. Let's just leave it. Show your CF profile and review. Bro, I don't do CF. Hello, Pudish ji. Dread, how have you been, bro? How have you been, Dread? How have you been? It's been so long since, bro. Dread was last on my stream. Fair, bro. I think that's enough. That's enough, bro. मेरा भी initially इसमें fail हुआ था. Okay. Okay. Can you do code delete in an account? Riddhi, she just copies the answer, I know, but I wanna check. Pradesh, bro, you did not tell about your internship. What do you want to know about my internship? Bro? Bro, 8 contests and 2000 rating. Riddhi 1B, 147. Holy shit. It's all manual typing. Holy shit. There are large pastes detected, bro. Number of pairs. Rank 506. Rank 506. Where is even she? Hold on. Where is even she? Riddhi 1B. Bro, weekly con. Did I click on the correct one? She's not even on the rankings page, bro. What the hell? Did she get banned or what? Ooh, this is weekly contest 499-1071. Riddhi 1B. Okay. So she did maximum sum of alternating subdistances. What is the question name, bro? Maximum sum. Okay. I think it was question 3 or question 4, maybe. Okay. It was question 4. Question 4. So there was an external paste in question 4. Let's look at the code. Nah, bro, she's writing the code herself if there was no external paste up until now. Switch language. Bro, it's all honesty. We should apologize, chat. It's all... Where is the external paste? Bro, it's all honesty. Yeah, fair, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. It's all honest. What got bit weird variable? Then it would have shown me, bro. Placement advice de do bhaiya. Bruh, Dread, bro. Just chill the hell out. Chill the hell out. IITian and a guardian and a CF expert, and he's asking placement advice from me. But chill the hell out. Purish, I want to beat you anyhow. Bruh, I am 6'4". What are you talking about, Rohit Singh, bro? I'll whoop your ass whenever I see you. Nah, brother. People do look on GPT and then write code. Maybe, bro. We can't tell. We can't tell. We can't tell. Nah, mate. She just types the answer, I guess, after seeing. But you can't say anything for sure. Check mine, not today. Okay. Okay. Red, what's your lead code and CF? Bro, it was augmented tech. Why you always get confused between 6'4" and 4'6"? Bro, Pradeep, bro, chill out. Chill out. Let's meet. Come on to Discord. Rohit Singh, if you have guts, let's talk it out man to man. Come on to Discord, bro. Let's settle this beef. Let's talk it out man to man, bro. Let's talk it out man to man. Rohit, bro, if you have guts, let's come on to Discord. Let's talk it out right now, bro. यार आज मेरे से सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी ठीक से नहीं बना. मैंने शुरू में स्लाइडिंग विंडो सोचा था. Bro, even I thought sliding window, but then I couldn't realize when to expand or contract. That's when I realized. Bro, check this. Aditi Prasad. Bro, I need to sleep, guys. Bro, last night I slept at 3:30, bro. 3:45. One day at a time. 53 followers? Bit Misra? Damn. Damn. Oh, it's all manual typing, bro. What are you guys trying to prove here? Oh, sorry. It's all manual. There's a small paste. A tiny bit of paste. Small paste, bro. Small paste is acceptable. A tiny bit of paste. Do you want to see what the small paste was about? Where was it even? Bro, respect people who are honest. And this girl looks like she's honest. She deserves the respect. Sum of beautiful subsequences. What is her rank? 140. Beautiful subsequences. Bro, I need to add a feature in this code lead that it answers the question in orders. Aditi, yes. There was a small paste, bro. Ooh, hold on. I mean, fair, bro. It's a small paste. It's just the Fenwick tree. It's just the Fenwick tree template, bro. Respect people who are good. Who are good, bro. I guess they can't believe because she's a girl. Yeah, bro. Stop being a sexist, bro. Stop being a sexist. Chill. Anyone did fourth? I got TLE. I got TLE. But Sarthak did. Sarthak did, bro. Check mine not today. Uday, bro, I know you don't cheat. I know you don't cheat. Are you CF expert? Bro, I'm a legendary grandmaster at CF. Does this face look like an expert at CF? Bro, I'm not even a knight at Leetcode. He's talking about CF expert. She cracked Amazon in turn. Of course she's gonna crack Amazon in turn, bro. Of course. Sliding window is mostly for some monotonic property. Okay. 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 The only thing I'm sliding is in girls' DM. Look at this creep. Creepy, bro. What's your actual height, bro? I'm 6'4". Look at this. I'm 6'4", bro. I'm 6'4". You guys just don't want to believe me. What do I even say? I'm 6'4". Could have time for only 3. Okay. Okay. It's 6. It's not 6'4". It's 4'6". Okay, bro. Okay, I'm 6'4". I used to play basketball and all that. Fair, bro. Enough. See, Rohit is nowhere to be seen. That guy was like, hey, I'm gonna meet you. No, only physically. Yeah, because you don't have guts to talk it out like a man. Rohit, bro, just chill out, bro. Just chill out. When you have guts, I've given an open invitation. Let's talk it out, man to man, respectfully, face to face, over Discord, on live. Let's talk it out, bro. Let's end the beef. But you're scared. Now, what am I gonna even say? That looks 5'6" max. You might be blind. You might be blind. Check one more ID, X variant. Bro, if this ID is not a cheater, bro, Krishna, I'm gonna ban you. Bro's giving me ID one after another. And then he wants me to like, I want to become proficient in DSA, doing in CPP in parallel to CP learning, web dev, AIML with grade. Bro, he has done 64 contests. Nobody cheats in 64 contests, bro. Respect the grind. Nobody cheats. There are small pastes. What the hell, bro? Maybe he's writing in his code editor. I think it was this fourth question, right? Yes. And his rank is 1 to 28. Hold on, where is he? X variant. X variant. He's not on the ranking page. What? Bro, did he get banned or what? Did he get banned or what? Sort vowels by frequency? Sort vowels by frequency. That sounds like an easy question. Bro, how is my rank in every question? Valid elements in an array? I think it might be this question. Or maybe the second question then? Yes. Second question. X variant. Okay, here it is. The second question. So, bro wrote some code. Yes, fair. Fair, respect the grind though. Where is even the external paste? So, bro did some small external pastes. Why is his code not being highlighted? And then run code. Then there was a small external paste. Hold on, did we see something, bro, that we were not supposed to see? Did we see something? This emoji is right. This is our correct proof that this guy is using. Oh my god, we got the L. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro is 6'4", still can't get girls, job personality. Okay, Anshu MB, shut up. Shut up. Bro, stop singing the same song again and again. Why, bro? Why? Bhai, camera block kar raha hai? Oh, you guys couldn't see it. Hold on. Hold on. Now look what I was talking about. Look at this. Emojis, comments, and correct tie break. Like, bro, this is a pretty strong evidence that bro is cheating. That's what I want. Bro, I mean, use GPT. That's what I'm trying to say. पूरी टाइम लेकिन पूरी दूसरों का फोर्थ क्वेश्चन देख रहा है कभी खुद पहुंचा भी है ब्रो hold on Rohit Singh bro I have done 2 all kills in my life and this guy bro why are you like trying to like humiliate you bro Rohit minus Baba bro you're 6 like let's look at your performances 4K, 5K, 4K, okay, not bad, but bro, neither have you ever reached the fourth question. I've done an all kill twice, bro. What are you talking about? I've done an all kill twice. Neither have you done a fourth question. So just shut up. Just shut up. Rohit Singh really wants the smoke. Exactly, bro. Like, and he's scared to come on Discord, bro. Rohit Singh, let's just talk it out, bro. Let's talk it out. Let's just talk it out. Hello, sir. I'm new to DS and I've started learning it. Sometimes I get confused about how to things I could really want. Bro, emotional. Bro, stop spamming. Stop spamming. Why are you checking mine? I'm new, but I can beat you. Bro, just come on Discord, bro. Why are you not coming on Discord, bro? Why are you not coming on Discord? Is emotional chup karao? Emotional, bro. Stop spamming. Message deleted by Austin Richard, bro. Stop spamming. Okay, I did want to view deleted message. if we see what he wrote, I have just started learning it. Sometimes I get confused about. While Saul, could you please give me some advice for beginners? How should I practice? Just keep on practicing. There's no correct way to practice. Practice is just practicing. That's it. Nubra Angrez, thank you, bro. 1v1 Rohit in real life. He's very emotional. Okay. Bro, Rohit is scared to even talk. Rohit, I live in a family and I don't abuse. Bro, who's telling to abuse, bro? We're gonna just talk respectfully. Respectfully, bro. Respectfully. We're gonna talk respectfully. There's no abuses involved. Let's talk out what's the issue. Come on, Discord, bro. People, let's sort it out. Would you? Rohit Singh, bro. Would you? Emotionally, you're at the wrong place. This person doesn't reply on DMs, bro. Devjot, shut your hell up. I've replied to you, bro. What are you even talking about? I've replied to you. I live in a family and I don't abuse. Bro, nobody's telling you to abuse. What are you thought? Is this going to be a clash? We're gonna talk respectfully, man to man. Bro just keeps spamming easies. Who are you talking about, Jason? Who are you talking about? What's the issue with Rohit, bro? Rohit has an issue with me, bro. Not the other way around. Bro has an issue with me. I guess he's not coming. Change the title to Beef with Baba. Fair. मुझे नहीं करता तू reply DM में. Bro, we literally talk every day. Manan, shut up. Shut up. This guy is lying. Okay, it's 10:23. I'm gonna go sleep. Bye bye. That Rohit guy. Exactly, bro. Exactly. DevOpple, what's up, DevOpple, bro? How have you been? I'm about to end the stream, but yeah. He doesn't even replies to my DMs. Pradeep, you don't even have my Instagram or my number. Where are you DMing me? Where are you DMing me, you liar? Do you guys have a community? Aditi Raj Purohit. We do have a Discord server. Wherein we are pretty active. मुझे भी sleep करना है. Then sleep, brother. Sleep. Join my Discord. So that's it for this stream. Rohit is scared and he's not gonna hop on Discord. So that's it. पिघल गया. Bruh. Okay. Both the I'm ending the stream. These people are so creepy. That's it for this stream. Let's meet in the next one. Bye bye.